a lot of my old school work. You could probably check it out. All right, guys. I think we're gonna be playing VR. The question is, guys, should we play VR? Should we play VR? VR chat or super hot? Do you guys want action or do you want super or do you guys want like chatting? Because we can do both today, but what do we do first? Hi, Faden. Hello, beautiful. Hello, hello. VR chat first, maybe. All right, let's get a poll in chat, and we can figure it out. Figure it out. Also, guys, I'm gonna get a pay raise soon. Let's fucking go, man. Starting May 1st, I'll be getting 60/40 on all my subs. Now, I already get 60/40 on tier 2, and I get 70/30 on tier 3s, but on tier 1, I get 50/50. Which, chat, that might be like an extra like 50 to 100 bucks a month, which is honestly amazing. You know what I could like actually feed myself. All right, guys, make sure to vote in the poll. Are we gonna shoot some fools, or are we gonna chat to some cute hootows? Okyo, yes. What, Oreo? What? Also, guys, do you like the new emote? What, you're putting the sub price up here? Oh no, fuck. Is a fellow Canadian, in your opinion? Yes. Oh. Honestly, that looks okay. My head. That's like in my digital roll up the rim. Yay or nay? What? What? Digital roll up the rim? Tim Hortons has truly fallen. These fuckers. Yup. For people that don't know what roll up the rim is, okay, in Canada, when you get like a Tim Hortons coffee or chocolate thingy, you could roll up the rim and you could get a prize. And you'll see what your prize is on the cup. But then they're making a digital. That's so cringe. You know what, guys? I've decided that I'm going to be a good person today. Real. And what do I mean by that? I'm going to finally fix this. Kind of. All right. All right. Can I fix this? Your username is going to doorbell Kyoki Candy. Make sure to stop. All right, okay. All right, okay. Why did it just turn off? He's doing it. Okay. If you collect a Kyoki candy now, it should be different. Oh my god, look.